Hey guys, here's a video for document 2. Remember, we're analyzing the impact of the Revolutionary War on women, Native Americans, and enslaved people. Our object is to analyze the importance of the Revolutionary War on marginalized and historically oppressed groups. So now let's go take a look at document 2. Primary source, document 2. The Chickasaw send a message to Congress, 1783. We are yet in confusion and uncertainty. We also receive talks from the governor of Georgia. The Virginians call upon us to a treaty and want part of our land, and we expect our neighbors who live on Cumberland River will in little time demand, if not forcibly take part of it from us. Also, as we are informed, they have been marking lines through the hunting grounds. We are daily receiving talks from one place or another and from people who know nothing about. We know not who to mind or who to neglect. We are told that Americans have 13 councils composed of chiefs and warriors. We know not which of them we are to listen to, or if we are to hear some and reject others. We are at a loss to distinguish those we are to hear. We hope you will also put a stop to any encroachments on our lands without our consent and silence all those people who send us such talks as inflame and exacerbate our young men, as it is our earnest desire to remain in peace and friendship with our brother, the American. It is very hard when we have let the Americans have so much land for so little value. They should want to cheat us in a manner of small spots we have left to our women and children to live on. Now let's take a look at the analysis questions based on document 2. Number 1, close read. According to the document, how had the Native Americans been treated by the Americans? Question 2, close reading. There goes the bell. According to lines 3 and 4, what is slowly happening to Native American lands? Analysis. Question 3. How would you describe the tone of this message? Question 4. Analysis. From the excerpt of this primary source, what do you infer was the general stance or position for the Americans towards Native Americans immediately after independence? Question 5. Analysis. When the Declaration of Independence was written, the first few lines written by the Founding Fathers read, "We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal." Based on this document above, do you think the Founding Fathers and Americans at this time thought that Native Americans were included in the general category of men? Why or why not? Please feel free to rewatch this video if you need it reread to you. Good luck, guys.